Parents and educators, I'm Josh Ochs, and I want to walk you through this program that we have here at smartsocial.com called Website Workshop, where we want to teach your student how to shine online. You're going to learn the skills that your student needs to build their website. That's right, in middle school and high school, we talk about students about building their own awesome website. Take a look at Brendan here. Now, Brendan is a freshman in college, but it's not just over when you get into college. Brendan's had a website for a long time, and he knows that he's working on his internships. So he's always talked a lot about what he did in high school. He's super cool, super awesome, but he's always volunteered, been active, and he started a little business when he was 13 or 14 years old. And that's when I met his family, and we started developing his 5-year plan. He's got all these different things, just really cool stuff in his website that we built. His projects, his testimonials, and he's adding to it, photography. But he's got a great website, and now he comes up under Google. When people search for this Brendan, they find the Brendan they're looking for, not all these other people. Now, Emmy's the next step. Emmy is amazing, and she volunteers at the Friendship Foundation. She interns and then also travels around. And we want to make sure that people find the Emmy that they're looking for. So she built 3 or 4 pages, and they're very clean. They're awesome. You can learn more about her. It even has a video that her sister made. Emmy's an outstanding young person. She's a junior in high school, and it talks about what she does. This is a 3-dimensional version of Emmy's, basically her life. It's a digital version of her application, but it's really cool. You might not know that she went to all these countries, and she has pictures of travel and what she did in Sydney. I mean, really outstanding person. We teach your student and we work with them how to build a footer, how to tie it into their Twitter and their Instagram if they want to. We basically, we're each week we have a live session, or you can watch our videos from me that teach you how to build it. Our goal is to build lots of different websites. We even built one for my nephew. You're thinking, oh, it's way too young to have a website when my student is in middle school. Here's my nephew. He's 3 in this image, but he turns 5 in just a couple days. We built him a website, and we built him a cute little one where he shows off some stuff. It's cute. It doesn't show where they live, but a lot of your kids' information is already public. In fact, your home address might already be public. So we're trying to push all the other bad stuff down, and we're trying to make a representation. You probably already have. My sister already features him on her Facebook a little bit here and there. We might as well make a page that says this is the person we're looking for. Also, it's really good to just go buy that domain early so that nobody else buys it. So in this website workshop, all you have to do is sign up for the all access pass to our parent university program at $9 a month at the time of this video, or $89 a year, or we'll build it for you for a few $100s. You'll instantly get to log in, and you'll get a special link in there that says, click this link to join Josh's I think it's a Wednesday and a Friday website workshop. And you can learn more about that on the front of smartsocial.com. And when you join our website workshop, you'll see some dates here, or it'll have a pre-recorded stuff. But these are live dates that either myself or my staff, probably me, are going to spend some time in here. And the best value, $89 a year is awesome, $9 a month, whatever you want to do. Just be honest with us, You know that 47% of college admissions officers say what they found online had a positive impact, and about 70% of them Google. So we want to make sure that they find the positive impact that your kid puts forward. So we're going to create everything you need to build your website. We're going to plan it out. Here's a video from Emmy. Then here's a video from Brendan. See what real students say, how to build your site. We're going to build it with them. Okay, let's do this, this, and this. We've done this with dozens and dozens of students, and then we're going to make the content available to Google. We're going to do a ton of tactics that maybe might take you a few years to learn, but we're going to give it to you in an hour. And we're going to work with you. And if you can't do it that one day, come back multiple times and we'll get it built, and we'll help you to shine online. And it's a part of our Parent University program. I hope you'll join. Guys, I hope you see that I'm excited about this. I truly believe that your student needs to shine online. And that's why we have this whole document. It is a manual that took me a long time to build, because we build websites for some of the world's biggest brands. And I've got all this nerdy stuff that you download in case you want to do it on your own, or you can do it with us and we'll build it live like we did for Emmy, for Brendan. We've got a ton of other people that we're working with, but we call it the Student Digital Resume Workshop because And that's because we work with you. I hope you'll join. I'm Josh Ochs. You can learn more at smartsocial.com. Thanks so much for taking the time. And educators, if you want to learn more about this, we can do this for your whole school. This is truly one of my favorite things, is to help students shine online. And we can scale the knowledge and teach people live in the boot camp. You can learn more about hiring me by clicking the Hire Us button up at the top. Thanks, guys. See you soon.